Hey everyone, my name is Marcus Michael. I'm Yamaha's Motorcycle Media Relations Manager, and we're here today at Milestone Raceway with TransWorld Motocross for an exclusive opportunity for them to take a ride on Chad Reed's 2016 Monster Energy 360 Fly Chaparral Factory Yamaha Racing YZ450F. This year marked a return for Yamaha to our factory racing effort for Supercross. And this motorcycle is actually the exact same YZ450F that Chad rode in the last round at the Las Vegas Supercross. Most of the components on this motorcycle you can actually purchase through Chaparral Motorsports, also at shopyamaha.com. We have the 60th anniversary livery on the motorcycle today. This is actually the same livery that we used at the Indianapolis Supercross race round, the retro race round. You can still purchase 60th anniversary YZs at your local dealership as well. So we're really looking forward to seeing what Talon LaFontaine thinks about this motorcycle as he gets a chance to ride it today at the Milestone Supercross track.
Yeah, I've been excited all week since Don called me I was going to be riding the Thunder from Down Under steed. I don't know, I've always looked up to Reed growing up, and just to even be able to ride his bike is unbelievable. I'm stoked. Impressions. Fast. It's fun. Waiting on the Supercross track to get done, so start putting some laps down on that. What's up? It's Talon LaFontaine. We're out here at Milestone riding Chad Reed's Monster Energy 360 Fly Chaparral Factory Yamaha 450 steed right here, getting a few laps on the Supercross track. Growing up, my dad was obviously, my dad was a big fan of RC, and I didn't like him because I was a big fan of Reed, so we always argued, and I was a huge fan of Reed. And I remember the first Supercross I went to was San Diego. They're still on two strokes, and Chad came from way back and passed Ricky on the final lap. And I don't know, I've always been a big fan of Chad, and it's kind of a dream come true to actually ride his bike. Well, this is my first time riding any factory bike of any level. I think I was more just like stoked to be riding Chad Reed's bike more than anything. And everyone thinks of a factory bike being this, this rocket ship, this just super powerful, speedy bike, but it's more about just how well it's put together and how well the power is delivered and how good all the pieces of the bike work together, like the suspension, the brakes, the motor, everything like that. And I was so excited. It worked so good. It's awesome. Yeah, I had a blast today.